Both of my light bulbs in my refrigerator aren't working, so I'm not sure if they both go out at the same time or one went out and then the other one went out later. I didn't notice. Or if it's a switch, the light switch on the refrigerator, that's not working. So I'm going to test them and ohm them out and see what's wrong with the light bulbs or the switch. I don't have any light bulbs with me to test them, so I'm just going to ohm them out first and the switch. Alright, let's check the switch first. Somehow you have to pry this out. It's got these tabs on it, holding it on. I got the power turned off, by the way. Got to wiggle it out of there. Well, I don't have much wire there to play with. I'm just going to pry them off a little bit just to ohm the switch out. It's a normally closed switch. It opened, closed, open. So the switch is good. I got to test the light bulbs. Put these back in there. Get them back on good. It's a real tight fit. I'll get back to you after I push them back on. Okay, the tab is on the bottom. You push this tab in with a screwdriver or a putty knife, and then you can push it back together. And then it snaps back in place. Now I got to check the bulbs.